Oh my gosh, I'm so upset. This is not how I wanted to start today's vlog. I just filmed an entire montage of me doing my makeup this morning, getting ready, and I deleted it. So we're off to a great start. It's 11:30 and it's Saturday the 14th, April 14th. And I have to work in the gift shop this morning, 12:30 to 4, which isn't bad. It's like super easy and like whatever. But I need the money because I'm poor. Hashtag poor college student. And then I think later Haley and I are gonna get together and hang out. I wish I had vlogged last night because we went to go get ice cream last night because the place opened for the first time this season and it was so good, but I didn't bring my camera because I didn't even think about it. But I want to get back into vlogging because I need to do it because I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna go get dressed. I have no idea what I'm gonna wear, but it's 11:30 and I have to be there in 45 minutes, so I need to decide what I'm gonna wear. But it's like sometimes, oh my god, do not even look at my room. It's a mess. It's a literal mess. Look at my bed's not made. Like my life right now. This is a representation of my life. But I am leaving. I'm on April vacation. Wow! And I'm leaving for Tennessee again on Tuesday. So I'm gonna actually try to vlog this time because last time I wanted to vlog, but then things were just like so fast and like we were just go and I was kind of just like spending time with Ryan and his family. It was really fun. His show was great, but I didn't vlog. So this time I'll try to vlog because I think we're gonna maybe try to go to a few different restaurants and hang out. And yeah, they also have a lot of homework to do because graduation is in less than a month. Wow! I want to make a graduation vlog so bad. So bad. So look out for that next month because it's coming. It's gonna happen. And yeah, I really need to go get dressed. So I'm gonna go do that. Bye! Okay, I'm back. Literally in the same spot. I'm wearing this sweater and these pants because it's literally always freezing in the gift shop. And this is all I wear. Like, catch me in this sweater or the one I wore last night all winter long. Like, I just have no motivation. Focus. I just have no motivation to put on any cute clothes. Like, I can't put out. Does anyone else like do that? Like in the winter you just can't put on any cute outfits because it's just so cold. And it's supposed to be like snowing tomorrow. I don't want to talk about it. Like, just get me to Memphis where it's gonna be 70 degrees and I can actually wear cute clothes. Because right now I can't. It's 11:46. I need to go pack my lunch and head out. My hair is literally just gonna be like this. Like a freaking lion's mane. But yeah. Also, my foundation is too dark, so don't even bother commenting because I already know. I feel like a mess and I just, I don't care because it's winter. And technically it's spring. Let's just get that out there. Technically it is spring, but it's not. And it's cold. Okay, so I'm literally headed out the door and out of the door, and I'm going to work. I need to remember to get a water because I just cleaned my Swell water bottle, so I couldn't use it. And maybe I'll get a nice coffee because I need it. I'm already hungry. My shift hasn't even started yet, and I'm like ready to eat lunch. But I'm literally like not vibing with anything that's going on today. Like, I just feel gross, you know? You know? I just feel like it needs to be spring so that I can be warm and dress cute and maybe like have a tan. Because, whoa! I just feel blah. But I need to go to work. I haven't worked at the restaurant in 600 years. grand old time. Alright, I made it to work. We're not open yet, so I thought I'd just pull out the camera and vlog because Lord knows oh my god, what the heck? I signed in. Oh, there we go. And yeah, ready for a great 3.5 hours. Hopefully I can get some planning done because I need to do that. But yeah, I need to go fix this display because that looks terrible. Good morning, guys. It's Sunday 15th and it's 10 a.m. I'm just putting some of my clothes away right now. And I have to go meet. Here, can I put you like... That's not enough space. This way. Oh, that's awesome. I'm going to meet with someone about nannying this summer. Oh my god, now you can see my room, which is a mess. I need to clean it. But I'm going to meet with a lady about nannying this summer in like a half hour. And I need to get ready. And then I think Haley and I might hang out later. I'm in desperate need of a lot of new things. Like I need new jeans. I haven't bought new jeans in I don't even know how long. Probably over like a year and a half. But my dark wash jeans are so old. Like I'm talking sophomore year of high school probably. So I really need a new pair of those. And Hollister has $25 jeans today. So I might go over there and get a pair. And I also need new makeup, which I have a gift card from Christmas to get new makeup. So that's good. So I might do that later today. I also need to finish up doing something for the restaurant later. So I think I'll come home and do that and then shower and get ready. And then maybe Haley and I will go out. That would be a fun Sunday. But yeah, I'm just putting my clothes away right now because I don't have enough hangers for all of this stuff. I also need to pack. Knowing me, I'll probably wait till literally Tuesday morning. No, probably do it Monday night. It's gonna be so weird. My flight doesn't even take off. This is so weird. Like, hey. My flight doesn't even take off until 3 on Tuesday. Which is like so not what I'm used to. It's usually like 3 a.m. But yeah. Alright, I'm just gonna do like a really quick makeup look because I literally think I'm gonna come home and shower after because I didn't have time to shower right now. And my hair looks alright. I just put a bunch of dry shampoo in it. So I'm just gonna put on like a little bit of, oh gosh, that looks not good. Can you see me a little bit? I think I'm just gonna put on like a little bit of some kind of foundation, like concealer and mascara, because I need this. Because I'm just gonna wash it off when I get home. So let's see. Does anyone else like not use their good makeup if they're just gonna like wash it off? Like it seems like such a waste to me. And again, this makeup is also way too dark for me right now. But it was like $3, so I don't mind using this and washing it off. It Cosmetics by Under Eye like travel size for so long, and there's still more in there. So I just used the teeniest bit. Use the teeniest bit because a little goes a long way, ladies. I should not be instructing people on how to do makeup. Lash glue all over my eyes. No. Oh, it's never coming off. I got new lash glue and it doesn't come off for like weeks. Sweet. I mean, it gives me like, it looks like I have eyeliner on, but like, it's freaking gross. Alright, so that's my quick little makeup look. Literally just foundation, concealer, mascara, brows. That's it. And eyelash glue to substitute as a little bit of eyeliner. Which is so gross. I need to scrub that off. Leave in the comments below how you get it off because nothing works for this stuff. Okay, hi guys. It's Monday now and I did not finish vlogging yesterday because Haley and I didn't go out, but we're going out now and big things are happening. Big things are happening. So I guess there's a film crew at the restaurant and Haley and I are going. Like, we're rushing over. Hi, P. Just have to say bye to P first. Hi. Oh, you camera shy? But yeah, I've just been like hanging out doing homework. And I just started packing a little bit, but then Haley was like, okay, I'm heading over now. So then I stopped packing and now I'm waiting for her to come here. I literally found this out on someone's Snap story, like one of my friends that works there. Like, come on, Mom, you could have let me know. No, do not say they're leaving.
I'm just gonna keep listening to it until it gets summery outside. Their summer playlist. I didn't get the first part of that. But we missed the film crew, but that's okay. It's not like we were gonna make it. I know, because this person is so slow. Like, I don't want to hit 25 because they're about to go even slower. Yeah. Oh. But we're gonna go to Ulta because I need makeup. Same. I also need to get my dad a birthday present. I kind of forgot about that. Yikes. And Julia. I know. I don't but we'll just go to TJ's and everything will be fine. Yeah. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how we look and feel. Ah! Yeah, I literally like I can't. I'm done. It's today, so gross. Today is canceled. I apologize to anyone listening to this with headphones on. Because wow. You're welcome. But we just went. I literally feel like I got hit with lawn on the side. Yeah. But I'll show you what I got. If you can hear me over all this rain. Tarte BB cream, the goods, the OG, and mascara. Another OG. Another serious OG. I don't even know what brand this is. Maybelline. Maybelline, yeah. Maybelline Great Lash. And I never knew that's what it was called. I never really knew it was just from Maybelline. It's green and pink. But yeah, we're gonna go to TJ's because all roads lead to TJ's. And I haven't been there in a hot minute. I know, I haven't been there forever. I still have a gift card from Christmas. Yeah, same. To there. So hopefully there's something. I really want some like black, like slide-on sneakers. Like, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah. I want those so bad. Like for airports. Yeah. Hello. That's what I wear my light pink like salon sneakers. It was like so easy. Yeah. Just pop them off. Yes. I wore some Converse last weekend. Ugh. It was a terrible idea. I also want another like cute sweatshirt to wear because I've worn the same one the last 2 times. Yeah. Because it is really cute, but there was a really cute one when I was there like 3 months ago. There was a really cute sweatshirt there and I didn't buy it, but I should have because okay, so I literally can't even vlog right now because I look so bad. Like every time I pull out the camera I'm like, yikes. Ugh. But we're in TJ's and we've already found some things to think about, as Haley said. Things to think about. But I really need a gift for my dad. This is see-through, and it's $100. Why is this a color palette? No, it's so bad. Stop. I don't want to insult anybody if they have that shirt, but it's a harsh color. Well, look at this. It's $100 and it's completely see-through. Like, what do you wear that to or with? Yikes. Wait.
Actually,
This one's $6.
I know.
let me see.
These things like cold. So yeah.
Together? Okay.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Totally forgot to end the vlog, but I am all packed almost. It's my little list, and I'm bringing a big suitcase this time just because I want to. I'm staying for a week, so I have a lot of stuff. But that also means that I packed a lot more stuff than I should have. Not good. But yes, I just showered and I'm ready to watch Netflix and go to bed. But first I need to paint my toenails because they haven't been done in a long time. So I'm gonna do that, and maybe I'll paint my fingers too because those also haven't been done in a while. So yeah, I'm just gonna paint my nails and watch Netflix and go to bed. So I'm gonna end the vlog here so I can start another one in Memphis. So I hope you enjoyed my vlog, me watching my weekend, my long weekend since this is Monday. But yeah, I hope to do more vlogs, and I'm really not sure where Flavors of the Seacoast is at, to be honest. Still figuring that out. So for now, thumbs up for the vlogs, like and subscribe, and I will see you with another vlog. Bye!